Hi, my name is Juliana McKee, and I chose to study the social learning cognitive theory. This theory is sometimes known as the social cognitive theory. The social cognitive theory was developed by Bandura. Its main focuses are to emphasize self-efficiency, ability to set goals, problem solve, and reflect. Bandura also emphasizes what children think and believe about how their influences affect how they act. A large part of social cognitive theory has to do with imitation. Imitation is the way young children learn and how values and cultures are passed from one generation to the next. A strength of this theory is that it allows for multiple ways of learning. It is easily used in any environment and it is easy to understand. This theory does not have a specific way that it is observed, making almost any situation ideal to observe the social cognitive theory. It can be explained exactly as an observation occurs because, unlike some theories, while there are main focuses, there are not main stages. Weaknesses of this theory are that there are not standard milestones to be recorded, and you may not be able to explain all behavior. Not having standard milestones can sometimes make it difficult to observe all events, and some things a child does may not be able to be explained through this theory. This theory is supported through play by the use of imitation. Children decide who they want to imitate. This is called rational imitation. While in a class or at home and focusing on play, a child will learn new ways to play by what other children do. They will learn what they like and do not like, but it will all be done through social interaction. The children in my classroom are constantly imitating each other. They are at a constant state of play and continuing to learn how to play new games, do new things, and use the items in the classroom. Using this theory in the classroom has become something that I am constantly observing. I have learned a lot through this theory. Mainly, one of the most important things I have learned is that children learn through play, and play happens through imitation of peers and of adults. I feel this is something I will use often in my professional career. If a child has been hurt or is sick and needs to redevelop or re-strengthen part of their body, the social cognitive theory will be very helpful. Children can learn through other children who have been in the same situation. I would be very confident in explaining this to a parent or child. I hope through this presentation you've been able to learn a lot about the social learning cognitive theory.